Good morning students, this is Padmavati Indarki, Assistant Professor of Management. Welcome you all to the 15th session of Advanced Financial Management. Today in this session we'll study the computation of specific cost. Here the specific cost is cost of debt. The outcome of this session is to make you enable to calculate the cost of debt. How to compute the cost of debt? Here we are going to study under different situations and under different types of debentures. Regarding the previous session, I have taught regarding the concepts of cost of capital, where the cost of capital is classified as explicit cost, implicit cost, marginal cost, average cost, composite cost, specific cost, historical cost and future cost, where explicit cost is the rate of return cost which we are incurring for borrowing the funds, where we are using as a discount factor to equate the present value of the cash flows. Implicit cost is the cost which we are considering for foregoing the best investment project. Marginal cost is the cost which is related to acquiring of additional capital. Specific cost is the cost of individual source of capital. Composite cost is the total cost of all sources of funds. In this session we studied the cost of debt. The cost of debt is a rate of return expected by lenders. Before tax, the cost of debt is equal to the rate of interest payable on debt. As the cost of debt, whatever the cost we are incurring for acquiring the debentures is shown as an interest expense. So as it is being deductible, the after tax cost is considered very often. So we are considering the situation here. Debt is issued at face value. When debt is issued at face value, we calculate through the following formula. KD is equal to 1 minus T into R, where T is tax rate, R is debenture interest rate, and KD is cost of debt capital. Another situation is debt issued at premium or discount. If the debt is issued at premium or discount, the cost of debt is calculated with the following formula. That is KD is equal to I by NP into 1 minus T, where I is annual interest payable, KD is cost of debt capital, NP is net proceeds of debenture, and T is tax rate. Cost of redeemable debt. It is the cost of debt. Redeemable debt is the debt which is payable after certain years of maturity, after some years, where it is the rate of return which the lenders expect. The debt carries a certain rate of interest. KD is equal to I into 1 minus T plus 1 by NP minus NP, where I is annual interest payable, P is par value of debt, N is net proceeds of the debenture, N is number of years to maturity. Let's solve the problems based on different situations. A company issues rupees 50,000 8% debentures at par. The tax rate is 50%. What is the cost of debt? Here we need to calculate the cost of debt, where the debentures are issued at par. So given T is equal to 50%, R is 8% as mentioned in the problem. The formula is KD is equal to 1 minus T into R, where 1 minus T is tax rate, that is 0.5, into R is 0.08, that is 8% means 0.08. So 0.5 into 0.08 is 0.04, which we are expressing in terms of percentage, that is 4%. So cost of debt is 4%. Next problem is Ganga Private Company issued 50,000 8% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. Here the situation is debt is issued at a premium of 10%. The tax rate applicable to the company is 50%. Compute the after tax cost of debt. Solution. KD is equal to I by NP into 1 minus T, where I is interest, that is 4 lakhs, that is 50,000 into 100 will become 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs into 8% is 4 lakhs. By NP, net proceeds. Net proceeds is 50,000 8% debentures of 100 is issued at a premium of 10%, that is 50,000 into 100 becomes 50 lakhs, and 10% of 50 lakhs is 5 lakhs. So 50 lakhs plus 5 lakh is 55 lakhs. That we have to divide 4 lakh divided by 55 lakh into 1 minus T, that is 0.5 tax rate. So 4 lakh divided by 55 lakh is 0.03 into 0.5 is 0.0363, which we are expressing in terms of percentage, that is 3.63. So cost of debt is 3.63%. Problem number 3, here various situations are given. A company limited issues 10 lakh 8% debentures at par. The tax rate applicable to the company is 50%. Compute the cost of debt capital. First situation is. Second situation is B Limited issues 1 lakh 8% debentures at a premium of 10%. The tax rate applicable to the company is 60%. Compute the cost of debt. C situation is A Limited issues 1 lakh 8% debentures at a discount of 5%. The tax rate is 60%. Compute the cost of debt capital. This situation is B Limited issues 10 lakh 10% debentures at a premium of 10%. The cost of flotation is 2%. The tax rate applicable is 50%. Compute the cost of debt capital. We calculate for the first A situation, debt issued at par. Here, interest is 10 lakh 8% debentures. So, 10 lakh into 8% is 80,000. Net proceeds is 10 lakh. So, 80,000 divided by 10 lakh into 1 minus T, where tax rate is 0.50%, that is 0.5. 80,000 divided by 10 lakh into 0.5 becomes 4%. We'll see the second B situation, where B Limited issues 1 lakh 8% debentures at a premium of 10%. The tax rate is 60%. Here, issued at premium, face value plus premium. So, 1 lakh is the debenture. 10% premium means 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000. Interest is 1 lakh 8% means 80,000. 80,000 divided by 1 lakh 10,000 into 1 minus T, that is tax rate is 60%, 0.6. So, 80,000 divided by 1 lakh 10,000 into 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So, it comes around 2.91%. Situation C is A Limited issues 1 lakh 8% debentures at a discount of 5%. Tax rate is 60%. Here, the discount is 5%. So, 1 lakh 5% discount is 5,000, that is 95,000 is net proceeds. And 1 lakh 8% debentures means again the interest is 80,000. 80,000 divided by net proceeds is 95,000 into tax rate is 0.6. So, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So, 80,000 divided by 95,000 into 0.4 is 3.37%. So, last one is D situation is B Limited issues 10 lakh 9% debentures. 10 lakh 9%, that is 90,000 is the interest, and it is issued at a premium of 10% and the cost of flotation is 2%. So, NP is 10 lakh. It is issued at 10% premium, that is 1 lakh, that is 11 lakh into 2% flotation cost, that is 11 lakh into 2% is 22,000. So, we need to deduct this 22,000 from 11 lakh because 11 lakh means 10 lakh plus 1 lakh premium. So, 11 lakh minus 22,000 is 10 lakh 78,000, and interest is 9% of 10 lakh is 90,000. Formula is KD is equal to 1 I by NP into 1 minus T, where I is interest, that is 90,000, divided by 10 lakh 78,000 into 1 minus 0.5, that is tax rate. So, it comes around 4.17%. Problem number 4. A company issues 50 lakh 10% redeemable debentures. Redeemable means it is redeemed after certain period of time at a discount of 5%. The cost of flotation amounts to 1,50,000. The debentures are redeemable. After 5 years, we are redeeming the debentures, we are paying back. So, calculate cost of debt capital. For redeemable debentures, the formula is KD is equal to I into 1 minus T plus 1 by N bracket P minus NP, par value of debentures, and NP is net proceeds. I is where NP is, that is net proceeds is 50 lakhs. Minus discount of 5%. So, discount 5% of 50 lakhs is 2,50,000. It comes around 47,50,000. And the cost of flotation is 1,50,000. That we have to deduct. First, we need to calculate the net proceeds by deducting the discount. That is 2,50,000. That comes around 47,50,000. From that, we need to deduct the flotation cost. That is 1,50,000 is given. So, that becomes 46 lakh. And interest is I is 10% of 50 lakh, that is 5 lakh. So, 5 lakh into 1 minus T, that is 1 minus 0.5 plus it is redeemable after 5 years. So, N is equal to 5 1 by 5 and par value of debenture is 50 lakh. Company issues par value is 50 lakhs. So, 50 lakhs minus 46 lakh divided by 1 by 2. 50 lakhs minus 46 lakhs. So, 50 lakhs into 5 lakhs into 1 by 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. 5 lakhs into 0.5 is 2,50,000 plus 1 by 5 of 50 lakh minus 46 lakh is 4 lakh. So, 1 by 5 will become 80,000. So, divided by 1 by 2, 50 lakh minus 50 lakh minus 46 lakh. divided by 1/2 is 96 lakh. This is plus 50 lakhs plus 46 lakh we have to do. Here we have written by mistakenly, it is we have written minus, but it is plus P plus NP. So 50 lakh plus 46 lakh is 96 lakh. So 2,50,000 plus 80,000 is 3,30,000 divided by half of 96 lakh is 48 lakh, that is 6.875%. So this is about the cost of debt when it is issued at par, premium, discount and also cost of irredeemable debentures. Thank you.